All right, now we move on to cash flows. And again, we talk about this in a lot more depth and detail in the other courses. But for now, just so you can know what's going on with the HP12C, in your workbook, you have something called a cash flow T. What this represents is the relationships of time and money in an investment. So here at a place called 0, we call it time period 0, the investor pays out $100,000. So at 0, it's minus $100,000. In the next row, which is the next year, we call that time period 1. It's actually year 1. The investor receives in $1,000 positive. In time period 2, or year 2, the investor pays out $2,000. That's why it's negative. And in year 3, the investor receives in positive the cash flows of positive $2,000 plus the value of the asset, if it's sold or given away or whatever it is, of $110,000. Those two numbers have to be added together to be entered as one consolidated number when you enter the time period 3 cash flow into the HP12C, and I'll show you how to do that next.